This is how you test an AC pump on a Freelander. I've just got a second-hand one and I'm just going to check it now. So as you can see, I've got two bits of wire. One goes to the positive, one goes to the negative. Let's just get that in there. That gives it a good earth. And as you can see, all I've got is a connector, a wire connector. And all I've done is make sure the hole is just big enough just to sit over the pin. If I can find it inside there, which is the positive. So that connector sits over the pin. So it saves all the messing around trying to do it. And if you touch the negative there and you watch, you can hear it, and see, let's just get that back on there, spin it, and it locks. That means the clutch is working in the AC pump. You can hear it. Yeah, you might be able to see it moving. Yeah, that's how you check a second-hand AC pump.